How to upgrade Dante in Devil May Cry. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Devil May Cry, Peak of Combat and want to make Dante stronger, then you can improve Dante by upgrading his level, skills, weapons and other available equipments. First of all, open the Devil May Cry game on your device, and once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on Hunters from the top right corner. And now select Dante. After you're inside this Dante page, click on the Develop button at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, make sure you're inside the info section in order to upgrade your character. Tap on Upgrade at the bottom right. Now, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and add the material. Click on Quick Add and click on Upgrade. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to level up Dante. Now you can also go ahead and level up his weapon. Go to the weapon tab on the left, click on Develop at the bottom right. Click on Quick Add to add the upgrade materials and click Upgrade once again to upgrade his weapon. So after you do that, you will be able to upgrade Dante's weapon as well. Similarly, you can also go to the skills section on the left and under skills, upgrade his skill by using the required material. For example, let's go ahead and click on Quick Upgrade at the bottom. It will show you the material cost to upgrade it. Right after you tap on Confirm, you'll be able to upgrade the skill. Choose the skill from the menu and simply click on the Quick Upgrade button from the bottom to upgrade the skills of the character. So that is how you can easily upgrade Dante in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Keep strengthening your favorite Dante build and you'll be ready for tougher battles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.